to another edition of Johnny Stocks 212. Other people trying to sell you something. I'm just here to find those winners, go-getters, trend-setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for you today. Today we're talking about an exciting company called Biohaven. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. So Biohaven, they really have an outstanding leadership team. Dr. Vlad Korsic, I've learned about him by listening to a bunch of interviews, read a different bunch of interviews, and recently, not too long ago, I heard about him. They had a FDA approval for neurotech, rimegacantine, which is a CGRP receptor antagonist for acute treatment of migraines. A little more than a year ago, he has transformed Biohaven, so he's done a really fantastic job. He's got the FDA approval. Him and his team expanded the indication for neurotech or disintegrating tablet for preventive treatment of episodic migraines, which is really exciting. It's kind of really the first all-in-one migraine medication for acute and preventative treatment of migraines. The K7 medication in their pipeline is another one that I'm really excited about. This one is not approved yet. It's still early in phase 1 trials. It's highly selected for KV7 channels to avoid activation of the GABA receptor. So it's showing pretty good promising results for preclinical seizure models, demonstrate potential anti-seizure effects. It's so far well tolerated. They are in clinical studies, so there are in human studies, which is exciting. Their KV7 platform is pretty exciting. They also have, besides their seizure medication, glutamate, as well as myostatin. The KV7 one, though, they should be having out hopefully some pretty good data in the next coming quarters, because it has potential to treat not just seizures, which is really awful, but maybe mood disorders, major depressive disorders, bipolar disorders, and anxiety. So take a look at the pipeline here. KV7, the seizure, focal seizure, epilepsy I was talking about, mood disorder, pain disorder as well, KV7 platform. Then they have this glutamate platform where they're looking at obsessive compulsive disorders, phase 3 trial, so they should have some results regarding that, and it's pretty exciting. It's two distinct mechanisms using the glutamate transport modulator, as well as NMD aspartate, or NMDA, glutamate receptor antagonist. So that's pretty exciting and they also have this myostat platform for potentially treatment. It's supposed to be the myostatin, a naturally protein that limits skeletal muscle growth through two mechanisms, lower myostatin, and that could potentially be a treatment there, as well as in phase 3 studies. So that's pretty exciting stuff. They got a lot of stuff going on in the pipeline. Let's look at the stock price. Stock symbol BHVN, Biohaven. At the time of this video, was trading at $13.88 at the time of this video. I do think this is a big chance, big risk, big reward type of company. I think they got a lot of exciting stuff they're going to be reporting on in the coming quarters. So I'll be continuing to follow and monitor this company. That's all the time I have for this video. If you did enjoy this video and the content I'm creating, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's completely free to subscribe. Helps my channel grow. I'll continue to monitor this company. And as always, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.